spooky Nerds Gummy Clusters. That smells like fruity candy, but not pleasantly. Anyway. Okay. I'm a big fan of the regular Nerds Gummy Clusters and the ones that are in the blue bag. These are also pretty good, but they may not be as good. I'm not sure what flavors these are, but I feel like the one in the blue bag has a, I think it's a berry flavor that like works all together. And then the original, you get all the different nerds and you get a bunch of flavors. This feels a little narrow. So it gets a pass, but it's probably my least favorite of the three that I'm aware of.